Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by cutting power at the breaker and confirming no voltage with a tester. It's about safety and certainty. Once done, steady the fixture with one hand, remove the glass or shade, and loosen the mounting screws so the fixture hangs down. Make sure to observe and photograph how the wires are connected, black, white, ground, because you will match them later. You'll learn why each step matters, avoiding shocks, preventing damage, and ensuring an easier rewire when installing the new fixture. You now disconnect the old fixture wires by unscrewing wire nuts and separating conductors, taking care to keep wire ends neat. Once separated, inspect the electrical box and existing wiring for damage. Replace any frayed insulation or brittle connectors so the new fixture sits on safe infrastructure. Next, attach the new mounting bracket to the box, feed the new fixture wires through, and orient the fixture for correct alignment. This sequencing prevents surprises and ensures the new fixture. You reconnect by matching black to black, white to white, and copper or green to the house ground, twisting wires together and capping them with fresh wire nuts for solid contact. After tucking wires neatly into the box, fasten the fixture to the bracket and attach the shade or globe. Restore power at the breaker and test with a bulb. If the light doesn't work or flickers, turn power off and recheck connections and the breaker. If uncertain, consult a licensed electrician rather than forcing repairs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.